countertop blender. It integrates seamlessly into cooking, allowing for efficient mixing and emulsifying. Its purpose is to bring powerful blending directly to ingredients, wherever they are, reducing unnecessary steps and equipment. The nutribullet Lite Immersion blender prioritizes user comfort and durability. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during longer tasks, helping to reduce hand fatigue. A key component is the robust stainless steel blending arm. This material choice is critical, allowing the blender to withstand high cooking temperatures. It can be safely immersed directly into hot soup,